I am happy to announce that on 6th of April at 6 o'clock we will be celebrating our 113th anniversary of Goman Vidaniketan on the second floor amphitheater at 6 o'clock. So the chief guest for this function will be Mr. Rajesh Menon, Resident Editor, Times of India, Goa. And this year's awardees will be present, and the awards will be given in the hands of the chief guest. So the first award is Keshav Anant Naik Smriti Samaj Sevak Puraskar. This year, Mr. Sandeep Kamath Azarkar is the winner of this award, who is a social worker. He is doing work in the field of afforestation for the last 30 years. The second award is Kashinath Damodar Naik Smriti Samajik Kritagnyata Puraskar. This award is given for a social enterprise or a social institution. This year it's going to Sethu, Child Development and Family Guidance organization. So this organization is doing work with the mental health of children and also with their families. So the third one is Kavivarya Damodar Achyut Kare Smriti Gomanta Devi Puraskar. This is an award that is given to a Marathi poet, a well-known Marathi poet from all over India. It's not only for Goa. So this year's award goes to D.B. Dhamanaskar. And the fourth award is Pirubai Dalal Smriti Swayam Siddha Puraskar. This is an award given to a woman entrepreneur, and it is going to Sapna Sardesai for her Kokam Curry, that is a restaurant which is running in Kandoli as well as Panji. And she has also done her business interests also go to media and publication. So these are the four awardees who will be present. So all are welcome to come on 6th April at 6 o'clock at Goman Vidaniketan at Fomento Amphitheatre.